Can you tell me the five senses? Yes, eyes to see, ears to hear, nose to smell, and tongue to taste, and your skin is to feel the hotness and coldness. So, above this all, there are some special senses in few animals, insects, birds. So, these senses are called super senses. We are going to study about the super senses. Now, has this ever happened to you? When you were sitting in the playground, an eagle flew down and took away your roti? As you walked softly past a sleeping dog, its ears shot up at once. You dropped something sweet on the ground, and within minutes, many ants collected around it. Can you tell me why does this happen? So here is the answers. Animals also have different senses. They can see, hear, taste, smell and feel. Some animals can see their prey from far away. Some can hear even the finest sound. Some animals can find their friends by smell. Animal around the world is full of examples of amazing sense. An ant was going along on the road. It was a group of ants coming from their side. The first ant quickly came back to its hole. The ant guarding the hole recognized it and let it in. Many years ago, a scientist did many experiments like this. He found out that as the ants move, they leave a smell on the ground. The other ants follow the smell to find the way. Some male insects can recognize their female by their smell. Mosquito can find you by the smell of your body. They also find you by the smell of the sole of your feet and the heat of your body. Dogs marks out their own area on the road. They can make out if another dog has come into their area by the smell of its urine or potty. Let us say this. Today Rajni had to go out for some important work. She had to leave her 6-month-old son Deepak with her sister Shushila. Shushila also has a baby of same age. It was a funny that both the babies did potty at the same time. She happily cleaned her daughter, but when she was cleaning her sister's son Deepak, she covered her nose with her dupatta. Now think. Shushila covered her nose when she cleaned Deepak's nappy, but not when she cleaned her daughter. Why? The reason is that Shushila is habitual to clean the potty of her daughter. So she was aware of that smell. But when she cleaned the Deepak's nappy, the smell was new for her. That's why she covered the nose. So the smell is good or bad, that is different for different person. Somebody's like that smell and somebody's don't. Means you have seen some people who like the smell of petrol and many people do not like the smell of the petrol. So it depends on how each people can feel about that things or the smell. Now an interesting question, can you tell me the answer? Now tell me the name of the bird which has eyes in front of its head like humans. Be fast. You have to give the answer in 10 seconds. Yes, it is an owl. So now we will discuss about the birds. Most of the birds have their eyes on either side of the head. Their eyes can focus on two different things at a time. When they look straight ahead, both their eyes focus on the same object. You must have seen birds moving their neck very often. Do you think why? In most of the birds, eyes are fixed and cannot move. So, birds have to turn their heads to see around. Some birds, like kites, eagles, vultures, can see 4 times as far as we can see. These birds can see things from a distance of 8 meters, what we can see from a distance of 2 meters. Now you understand how can an eagle in the sky can see a roti on the ground. Animals cannot see as many colors as we can see. It is believed that animals that are awake in daytime can see some colors. Those animals that are awake at night can see only black and white colors. So, owl must have seen only two colors, black and white. Animals like dogs, bats have sharp ears that enable them to hear even the faintest sound. The snakes do not have ears. They only feel the vibration on the ground. Sense of smellings. The snake can smell with the flip of its tongue. Some dogs are used to detect explosion, blood, and drugs. Sounds sends messages. High up on a tree, a langur warns others of dangers like a tiger or leopard. The langur does this by making a special warning call. Birds also give alarm call to warn about the danger. Some birds even have different sounds for different kinds of dangers. For example, there is a different warning call if enemy is coming from the sky or if the enemy is on the ground. Fishes give alarm calls by electric signals. Some animals start behaving in a different way when an earthquake or storm is about to come. People who live in the forest can observe such behavior of animals, come to know the danger. In December 2004, few tribes that live in the forest of the Andaman Island noticed that animals behaving in a different manner. They guessed some danger, so they moved away to a safer part of the island. Soon after, the island were hit by the tsunami, but these people were saved. Dolphins also make different sounds to give messages to each other. Sometimes scientists believe that many animals have a special language of their own. Just like birds and dolphins, you can also make your own language of the sounds for giving message. Estivation and hibernation. Some animals go into a long deep sleep in certain season. Then they are not seen for many months. You have also not seen lizard and ants, okay, for many months. So hibernation and estivation are the sleeping patterns in animals. Estivation is a summer sleep, while hibernation is a winter sleep. Bats, insects are hibernating animals, whereas bees, frogs, crocodiles are the example of estivating animals. Now we will discuss about a special animal, sloth. It looks like a bear but is not. It is a sloth. It spends almost 17 hours a day sleeping while hanging upside down on a tree branch. The sloth eats the leaves of the same tree on which it lives. It hardly needs anything else. When it has eaten enough leaves from that tree, it moves to nearby tree. It lives for about 40 years, and in that time they move around only 8 trees. Once a week it comes down from the tree to relieve itself. Now let us discuss about tiger. A tiger can see 6 times better at night than most of us. The tiger's whiskers are very sensitive and can sense movements or vibration in the air. They help the tiger move in the dark and find its prey. A tiger sense of hearing is so sharp that it can make out the difference between the rustling of leaves and the sounds of an animal moving on the grass. The ears of the tiger can move in different directions and this helps to catch the sounds from all around. Tigers make different sounds for different purposes, like when it is angry or to call out to a tigress. It can also roar or snarl. Its roars can be heard up to 3 kilometers away. Each tiger has its own area, which may cover several kilometers. Tigers mark their area with their urine. A tiger can at once come to know if there is another tiger in its area by the smell of urine. A tiger will avoid getting into another tiger's area. The tiger is one of the most alert animals, and yet today tigers are in danger. Do you know that today many animals are killed and their parts are sold? Elephants are killed for their tusk, rhinoceros for their horn, tigers, crocodile and snakes for their skins. Musk deer are killed just to make a little scent from its musk. People who kill animals are called hunters or poachers. The number of tigers or many other animals in our country is reducing. There is a danger that some of them will soon disappear. To protect the animals, our government has made some forests as protected areas. Some of them are the Jim Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand and Gehna in Bharatpur district of Rajasthan. In this area, nobody can hunt animals or destroy the jungle. To maintain the balance in nature, humans have to conserve wildlife as they are in danger. If there is no wildlife, the human being also be in danger. So, students, this time I am giving you as a homework a quiz. You have to write at least 5 national parks in the chat box. Thank you, students, and take care of your environment and animals.